and welcome to today's virtual demo of industrial and commercial warehouses. This is Mike Eilertson, Chief Meta-dologist at Meta-dology.com.
And this is Sam Drews, Head Trainer and UK and EU Operations.
Sam, let's jump in. Give us some feedback on what was the challenges that your client had in this space and what industry challenges exist in industrial and commercial warehousing.
Well, the big challenge for particularly this client, but also every single client very similar to this, is really their ability to have kind of remote tenant walkthroughs, being able to actually get the key decision makers coming onto that site, trying to coordinate everyone's calendar, especially when we're dealing with these higher execs, making sure everyone's there, and ultimately just making sure that every single person has the information needed. But also not even that, just the ability before they move in, being able to test the fit out, test the storage, and really just get a bit of a feel. Is this the unit for 6 months, or is this the unit we're moving into for the next 10, 15, 20 years as well?
Well, let's dive in and show how we get this accelerated uptake of units like this. So here we have the instantly accessible 3D model, as we always do. And we're going to start off just saying walk the site. And immediately as you arrive here, as always, you get a sense of just this completely fluid, unencumbered model, the ability to move around where you want to go to. And one of the standout tools that from my side really jumps out immediately is the ability to do live measurements. And this is just one that just answers so many questions. For instance, how wide is the road over here? How long is the potential parking lot? Things even down to the height of something. And these measurements instantly being accessible, that you can not only get the type of numbers you're looking for, but that they can remain in the environment and allow you to take screenshots and tell the story or share it very effectively.
Yeah, it's an absolute game changer. It's just the ability for the measurements. I mean, the client even said, this is going to enable us to be able to make sure, hey, is the parking lot wide enough for our lorries to be able to unload and turn around safely? Do we need to be able to change up our lorries? And it's these little micro decisions that so often get overlooked, but mean all of the difference when it comes to these long-term leases.
And this is one of my favorite tools, the cutout tool, Sam, and definitely just something that really stands out. And let's just quickly go back to that walk the site. These models are completely fluid, as you can see. And one of the things that just helps so massively is being able to remove layers of the building. In this case, getting a bit of that ghost roof still on. So you still get perspective of where the heights are, but you can change the angles. You can hide the furnishings, be able to see different interior fittings to really get a sense of the space. And I'm sure this has helped massively in your clients and the brokers utilizing this in getting the type of answers that they're looking for.
Yeah, definitely. And especially the world we're now living in at the moment, companies really aren't just looking for a place that we can go here, right? We don't want to be doing this every 6 to 12 months. And their ability to visualize, their ability to make edits, to remove that roof, just gives them the ability and the confidence to know, hey, this is the space that we need. This fits our requirements, and there's no guesswork anymore. We know for a fact before they sign that lease, they are going, this is exactly where we need to be.
And Sam, the other one that I thoroughly enjoy in this is the fact that you can do these bespoke demonstrations. You can actually load your client's logo into the reception area, the boardrooms. You can really tailor it so that as they're experiencing it, they're getting a strong sense of what the space could look like. But just look at this, at how immediately we get such a fundamental understanding of the environment. We can still fly, move around. We can still pull up the measuring tools in the actual warehousing, instantly being able to understand the space, measure to different outputs, see how wide certain walkways can be. I know one of the ones that that really stood out in one of the demonstrations that we were part of is the ability to quickly test how wide some of these walkways were to make sure that the forklifts could get through.
Yeah, and especially this is really what the key difference was for the client. Historically, the key decision makers, they're the people that are looking at the commercials, the finances, And, a lot of the time, the warehouse foreman, the workers in there, they come into the new space. It's the first time they've seen it, day one coming into the actual warehouse. And so many times there's potential issues, there's worries, there's doubts, there's things we need to firefight, even on day one. So as you can see, look, the ability for them across multiple different ways, the ability for that remote tenant walkthrough, testing the storage, making sure the space is aligned, even just little things for health and safety, every single key decision maker in that process, having full confidence moving forward with zero doubts, knowing that, hey, this is the space that we need to be moving into. That is what the absolute key benefits are when it comes to Meta-dology.
Absolutely. Thanks as always, Sam. Have a good rest of your day.
Thank you so much, everyone.